Hi. Hi.
Laury is not just another girl. She just isn't.
Balloons and everything.
Hubba hubba.
That's it.
She gets a big kick out of herself.
Give Laury a subject and she can give you 45 minutes on it. The subject could be lipsticks.
Could you tell them what you have? Breathe. No pressure. No pressure.
July is when we all started noticing it.
It was like a light bulb went off. We all went, where'd she go?
She wasn't chatting with me. And, you know, one of Laury's favorite things to do on the planet is chat.
Nothing. Nothing.
What if this was permanent? I would go crazy.
I'm worried.
Jar, helmet, crayon, lamp.
She can't articulate what she's going through, so I don't know how she feels about what she's going through.
I don't know.
She seems, how are you? Fine. How's everything? Fine. So I can't imagine that's the real answer to those questions.
Okay.
We clearly look at each other as wife and husband. And Laury is still very much my partner. You know, every family has challenges. Ours is a little different right now.
I've noticed that Tally has become a lot more clingy, hugging me in ways that I think she would normally want to hug her mother.
Children are finding me uncomfortable.
But you still do it. You go out.
Yes. Oh, I don't know if I can do this. I'm making the thing. It's frustrating, yes. Ah!
Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna finish this, try to calm down.
You know, she's like an artist's rendering of Laury. Looks like Laury, sounds like Laury, but where is Laury?